Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start and continue with the second chapter, Cultural Heritage of India, Traditional Handicraft and Fine Arts. Students, so far you have learned clay work, art of embroidery, diamond beadwork, enamel work, metal work, wooden work, inlay work, akik work, painting, music. Now students, I am going to teach you dance forms. Different dance forms. This is very important question frequently asked in the section C. Okay, so I'm going to explain you the dance form, so you have to pay attention. Dance. The word nritya has been derived from the original Sanskrit word nrit, means dance. Dance is one of the medium of realizing beauty with tal and lay for the realization of aesthetic joy. Shiv, the originator of the dance, is a lord of the dance. Underline this. Shiv is therefore also said to be a Natraj. Underline for the MCQ. He was the first bring down the music from the heaven to the earth and to teach this art of dance to the people. So India has a wide variety of traditional classical dances, Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi and Manipuri. These all the dance forms, 6 types of dance forms students you have to learn. Okay, this will ask separately for 3 marks in the section C. So from the above paragraph that you have to remember the word nritya, they derive from the original Sanskrit word nritya, and Lord Shiva is considered as a Natraj, that you have to remember. Now I'm going to explain you in Bharatnatyam. The origin of the Bharatnatyam is believed to be Tanjore, a district in Tamil Nadu. So the original dance form of the Bharatnatyam is from which state? Tamil Nadu state. There are 2 books. Natya Shastra by Buni and Abhinav Darpan by Nandikeshwar, which are original source of the Bharatnatyam. Students, you have to remember these 2 books and the author also. Apart from Gopi Krishna, Mrinali Sarabai, the attracts like Vaijayanti Mala and Hema Malini are considered to be the preservers of this heritage. This preserver means they pass on this heritage from generation to generation. Gopi Krishna, Mrinalini Sarabai, and the actress like Vaijayanti Mala Hema Malini are the preservers of this heritage. So you have to remember Bharatnatyam originated from the Tamil Nadu. Okay, Natya Shastra by Bharat Bhumi, Abhinav Darpan by Nandikeshwar are the original source of Bharatnatyam. And who preserved the heritage? Gopi Krishna, Mrinalini Sarabai, Vaijayanti Mala and Hema Malini. Now Kuchipudi dance. The style of dance was created in 15th century. It is mostly based on description of women's beauty. It describes the beauty of the women. Different pose and gestures performed by the male and the female dancers are women in this foundation of this dance. Women and male and female dance with the different poses and gestures. So Kuchipudi is famous dance originated from the Andhra Pradesh, that you have to remember. Okay, it's famous in Andhra Pradesh. Guru Plala Sharma, Raja Reddy, Shobha Naidu, etc. are the well-known dancers who have preserved in the ancient tradition. So students, you have to learn Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi. Bharatnatyam from Tamil Nadu and Kuchipudi, that is from Andhra Pradesh. Now next dance form, that is Kathakali. This style of dance is very famous in Kerala. The word Kathakali has been derived from the drama based on ancient epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata, mixed drama of Sanskrit and Malayalam. So you have to remember this is original dance, famous dance of Kerala. And it is the dramas of the ancient epic Ramayana and Mahabharata, mixed dramas of Sanskrit and Malayalam. The character of this art wear beautiful plaited attires. We have to read their facial expression to recognize the characteristics of the character. The crown they put on it very artistic. They wear a special types of crown that's very artistic. The character performs his and her dance with a facial expression and poses of hands to introduce the characters of Trilok. So they make a different facial expression and different poses of hands. So in this way they introduce the character of Trilok. They came in front of the curtain with the light of earthen lamp only. So when they are entering, okay, so they have all earthen lamp light in their hand. Poet of Kerala, Sri Walthod founded a Kamalandam Kalamandalam, Krishna Prasad, Shiv Raman, etc. have earned a great fame in the nation and the world wide. So students, you have to remember this is a famous dance of Kerala. Okay, it describes the Ramayana, Mahabharata in Sanskrit and Malayalam dramas. Okay, the performer used to wear beautiful plated attires. Okay, and having a beautiful crown on the head. Okay, and they are showing different facial expression that recognize the characteristics of the character, and they are giving with facial expression poses of the hands to introduce the character of the Trilok. So Sri Valthod, that is Kalamandal Kathakali, and Kalamandalam Krishna Prasad Shiv Raman, that on a great fame in the nation and the world wide. Now Kathak dance, students, the line Kathak kare so Kathak kahave is related to Kathak dance, and Kathak dance is from the UP, Uttar Pradesh. Kathak dance narrates the life events and incidents of Lord Krishna. Kathak kare so Kathan kahave, and this dance form narrates the life events, all the stories of the Lord Krishna. It is observed that it has observed the Shringar Bhakti and Vaishnav community. Okay, it has developed a Shringar Bhakti and Vaishnav community. In this style of dance, the dancer turn around on one leg and show the references of the dance. So in the Kathakali dance, the dancer turn around one leg and shows the references of the dance. Women wear narrow trousers and frill attire. Narrow trouser and frill attire like frock type. This style of the dance has been kept alive by Pandit Shri Birju Maharaj, Sitara Devi and Kumudini Lakhia. So you have to remember this Kathak dance form of the Uttar Pradesh. Clear? Kathan kare so Kathan kahave. It narrates the story of the Lord Krishna. Okay, it originated from an associate with Shringar Bhakti and Vaishnav community. The dancer turns around on one leg and shows the references of the dance. Okay, so students, you have to learn this. Now students, I am going to explain Manipuri dance. The people of Manipur dance on every occasion and festival. So students, you have to remember Manipuri dance is a dance from the Manipur. This dance style is chiefly based on Ras Leela and Bal Leela of Sri Krishna. Okay, Ras Leelas and Bal Leela of Sri Krishna. Manipuri dance is divided into two types, Lasya and Tandav. The plaited green color petticoat is known as Kumin. The dress the female wear that considered as Kumin, a plaited green color petticoat. You can see in the picture also. And at the same time they wear silk blouse and belt put on around the waist. Guru Amobi Singh, Atambo Singh, Guru Bipin Sinha, Naina Jhaveri, Nirmal Mehta have gained worldwide fame. The students, you all remember, Manipuri dance is a dance from the Manipur state. Okay, it mostly based on the Ras Leela and Bal Leela of the Sri Krishna, divided into two type, Lasya and Tandav. It weighted the plaited green color petticoat wear that considered as Kumi. Clear? So now, and that you have to remember, and they wear a silk blouse and belt around the waist. So students, you have to remember this thing. This will ask for 2 marks in the section B, explain Manipuri dance, and it will ask in the MCQ also. Now students, dramatic art. Students, dramatic art you have to learn for 3 marks, students. So you know drama, you know Kalidas drama, poet Kalidas drama, you know poet Bhas drama and Bharat Muni. So you have to write it down, the different drama written by this all. You have to remember the name of this. Now presenting Sanskar with the entertainment is the unique feature of the Indian dramatic art. Indian drama presented Sanskar with the entertainment. Apart from this, the anchor and the funny pair of the clown entertain the audience. Joker. Natya Shastra, you have to remember, Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni is a well-known in the field of the art. Dramatic art, writing of drama and performance of drama along with the audio visual aids. Audio that you can listen and visual that you can see. This trial holds the capacity to entertain the people of all the age. Dramatic art is a amalgamation. Amalgamation मतलब mixtures of all the arts. So describing the Bharat Muni says that describing drama, according to Bharat Muni, there is a no book, no sculpture, there is no knowledge, there is no deed which is lacking in dramatic art. Everything include drama. Okay, book, sculpture, knowledge, everything include drama according to Bharat Muni. The first drama of Bharat Muni was, you have to remember student, Devasur Sangram. In a Sanskrit literature we have various well-known dramatists. So you know students, you have to remember Bhas. And Bhas written Karnabhar, Urbanga and Dutvakyam. Once again, Bhas written Karnabhar, Urbanga and Dutvakyam based on Mahabharat. He wrote this based on Mahabharat. Once again, Bhas, Karnabhar, Urbanga and Dutvakyam. Then you know well-known famous poet Kalidas written the plays like Abhigam Shakuntalam, Vikrama Varshiyam and Malvi Kangni Mitram. Kalidas written the plays Abhigam Shakuntalam, Vikrama Varshiyam and Malvi Kangni Mitram. Apart from the above, many dramatists came and enriched the dramatic art of the Sanskrit literature. Students, you have to remember the person, those who have written the drama, okay, plays name. The name of Jaishankar Sundari is the foremost dramatic art of Gujarati. Okay, so in a Gujarati, Jaishankar Sundari. Beside that, Amrut Pathak, Bapulal Nayak, Deena Pathak, Jashwant Thakur, Upendra Trivedi, Praveen Joshi, Deepak Giwala, etc. Remarkable play, right? These all are from Gujarat. There is a great contribution of a regional and other drama institution in the film. So students, you have to remember the Natya Shastra written by Bharat Muni, Devasur Sangram by Bharat Muni, then Karnabhar, Urubhanga, Dutvakyam by Bhas, and Abhigam Shakuntalam, Vikrama Varshiyam and Malvi Kangni Mitram by Kalidas. That you have to remember. Now Bhavai. Students, you have heard the name. Bhavai means what? It will ask for 3 marks and you have textual question answers also. Bhavai means what? Script writers have said that Bhavai is an emotion-oriented drama. It's a emotion-oriented drama. It is a special dramatic art that started 700 years ago by Sid Thakur. Yet you have to remember, 700 years ago. This art has been providing a public education. This art gives a public education along with the entertainment at an economical rate, means low rate, and promoted during the Solanki era. Before 700 years ago, this art that giving the public education along with the entertainment and with economical rate. It was chiefly performed without curtain, no curtains, with a light humor and with a music playing with the help of the trumpet. Character disguise मतलब वेश में, in the form of Ramadev, Janda Julan, Kajoda. Okay, they perform the different activities and the main features of the Bhavai. The Bhavai includes what kind of education the Bhavai gives, what kind of message gives, protest against the social vices, all the social evils that prevalent in our society, that it includes. They just raise their voice through this. Okay, protesting against this all the social evils like infanticide, Dudh Piti, then Sati Pratha and all this considered as. The characters like Rangla, Rangli are used to promote the program like girls education, save the girl child, etc. And those who perform this Bhavai play trumpet and pray to the goddesses by reciting the hymn. Okay, mantra. Okay, they are playing the music with the help of the trumpet and reciting the goddess, and they were doing the prayers also. Okay, so students, Bhavai you have to write it down for 3 marks. Now students, folk dances of Gujarat. You know very well our folk dances. You know Garba and Ras and all. Apart from that, many tribals, those who are living in the forest, they are having their own unique folk dances, tribal dances. So we are going to learn that. There are varied dance forms belonging to different communities of Gujarat. These dance forms are according to the traditions and custom. Among them are tribal folk dances, Garba, Ras, many more folk dances. Such art of dance can be seen at the time of festivals, marriage and fairs. So now students, I am going to teach you tribal dance. You have heard about this tribal dance and many times you have seen tribal dances in your annual functions also. So today I am going to explain you tribal dance. Tribal are the people, those who are living in the forest. They are quite away from the metropolitan cities and all. Okay. Tribal dance of Gujarat is seen at the time of the festivals, marriage, fair, to please the god and goddesses. Most of the dances are performed by forming a circle. They used to form the circle and with the various traditional musical instruments. Okay, like drum, traditional manjira they are having. They are having thali, dholak, and they going to speak in along with the singer song with that in regional languages. Okay. In the dance form of Chedo, character imitate matlab copy the different bird creatures like peacock, squirrel and sparrow. So students, you have to remember, in the dance form of the Chedo, the character copy the voices of the creatures like peacock, squirrel and sparrow, and dance like Malino Chalo, Thakrayo Chalo are seen in Dang. So this is a famous dance form of Dang. Okay, Malino Chalo, Thakrayo Chalo. Whereas Tipani dance of laborers performed by Bhil and Koli communities. Dancer perform the dance in the group on the set of the thick sticks which are joined with the small sticks and stuck to the ground. So this Tipani dance performed by the Bhil and the Koli community, and students, you have seen also, must have seen in the movies also, like they are just jumping on the set of the thick sticks which joined with the small sticks that stuck to the ground. So I have taught you about the tribal dance. Okay. Now students, I am going to explain you Garba. So you have question behind that. Explain and give the information about Garbi of Gujarat. So students, no need to learn, you know very well Garba, that is our famous folk dance. The word Garba is derived from the word Garbhadi. Earthen lamp is placed in a whole earthen pot. You have seen students. The dancers keep it on their head and move around in the circle, and Garba are performed during the Navratri festivals in the Hindu month Aso Sud Ekam to Aso Sud Navami, and somewhere up to the Dasham or in the Sharad Punam. Students, you know very well, in all the parts of the Gujarati people perform and sing a Garba to worship and pray the Adya Shakti. You know, Adya Shakti, Ma Ambe, Ma goddesses of the power, Mother Jagdamba. So students, you know that earthen lamp that placed inside the whole earthen pot, that is considered as a pitcher. Clear? So dancer used to keep on their head and move around in the circle. Okay, and singing a song. Okay, we are worshipping and praying Adya Shaktis, Mother Jagdamba. Generally, it is performed in the open ground and circling to the Mandvi. Mandap is there and kept in the center of ground along with the strokes of hands and beats of the drums. Musical instruments were there. Clear? Gujarati poetry known as Garba, Garbi are chiefly associated with Krishna Bhakti, Ras Leela. Gujarati poet Dayaram wrote poems in Gujarati which means ladies sing the ladies means what? Third gender. Sing the colorful, emotional Garbi of Lord Krishna's love. Students, this is very important and very easy for 3 mark students. Just you have to clear your concept and you have to write it down in your own words. Okay, though there is no need to give a more description about this. Now Ras also, you know, Ras. Okay, Dandiya Ras. The Ras is the dance to perform in a circle along with singing. And there is the story that Lord Krishna had shown Ras Leela to devotee Narsi Mehta. Ras Leela, the Ras mostly associated with the Lord Krishna. And Narsi Mehta was a great devotee of Lord Krishna. So Ras is mostly performed in a Gujarat during the Navratri and Janmashtami festivals. Dandiya Ras is one of its types. So it's only performed in Gujarat. But some of the people perform Ras by placing earthen pot on the head. Due to the increasing influence of the Vaishnav section, Ras has become more popular. Women wear traditional dresses, chaniya choli, and men wear traditional kediya, dhoti, and when they perform the Ras. Ras means Dandiya Ras that's associated with the Lord Krishna. Mostly it is famous performed in the Vaishnav section. So dance that perform in a Gujarat only, that Ras. Now Gol Gunthan dance. Gol Gunthan dance, other dances of Gujarat. So the tribal, those who are living in Gujarat, so that tribal dances. So students, you have to learn this and you have question describe the tribal dances of Gujarat. So you have to write it down this. Now Gol Gunthan dance. Gunthan you know na? Huh? Gunthan, Gov Gunthan dance. It is performed on drum beats, tal, lay of the music. What they will do, they tying the rope with the mandap, pillar, tree, and holding the another end in the hand. They tie one end on the mandap, pillar or the tree, and other hand hold in their hand. They perform the dance in a group, holding the rope in one hand and dandiya in the another. Okay, they in a circle they will do the dance and they hold in one hand the rope, in the second hand the dandiya. They make a creeper like formation. Creeper means what? Going one inside and other is coming outside. One is going inside, other is coming outside. So in this way they repeatedly doing such thing in the circle. So in this way they make and open the gunthan. Gunthan means plait. The hairstyle the girl used to take na gunthan. Okay, that consider as they make and open the gunthan. This style is considered as Gov Gunthan dance. Clear? Now Dhamal dance of Siddhis. Siddhis presently residing in the Jambur village in the center of Gir. Mostly they belong to the Africa. Originally belong to the Africa and perform this dance. Siddhis from center of the Gir. They perform the dance by rhythmically striking the mashira. Now mashira means what? Here the description given. Mashira is the coconut shell. Mashira is the coconut shell that contain the earthen lamp inside and covered with the cloth. Coconut shell inside the earthen lamp and covered with the cloth. They strike that. They wear the peacock feathers and holding the small drums in the hands. Peacock feathers and holding the small drums in the hand and forming the circle. And they dance with a high and low pitch intonation, ho ho sound, which echoes is seen in the whole forest. Intonation, high pitch, low pitch, okay, ho ho sound. The dance in a group imitating means copying the voice of the animals and the birds. So Siddhis dance, Siddhis are from the center of Gir and they originate from the belong to the Africa. Okay. Now Merayo dance, Padhar dance, okay, Kodio dance and Mer dances. So students, Merayo dance I am going to explain you. This type of dance is seen near the stepwell of Banaskantha region. Banaskantha is a district. There we found the Merayo dance. Toran is woven with the tall grass of reed and junjudi. Tall grass name reed, name of the grass, and junjudi, huge and tall grass. So they make the toran of it. And this dance is performed on drum beats and sword tricks. Okay, with the help of the sword tricks and the drum beats. And this type of dance is called Merayo dance. Students, you remember Merayo dance, we can see in the stepwell of Banaskantha district. Now in the Surendranagar region, the people of Padhar community dance with the tal and lay of dandiya and manjira. They generate the scene like sea waves. They generate the scene like sea waves and like the ship that moving on the sea waves. Padhar community of Surendranagar. Okay, they are performing just like we can see, just imaginary scene that like a ship that moving on the sea waves. Now, Kolis of Saurashtra perform Koli dance. Kolis of Saurashtra perform the Koli dance holding madrasio. Madrasio matlab colorful cloth. Okay, holding madrasio colorful cloth for tying on the head, and headgear turban is decorated with embroidery. Okay, and mirrors tied with the green colored embroidered belt. They have the belt in that the mirrors tied. They wear the bat on their waist to perform the dance. Similarly, May dance of Saurashtra and other dances of Bharwad tribes are well known. So students, you have to remember Gov Gunthan dance, Dhamal dance of Siddhis, Merayo dance, Padhar dance, okay, and Kolis dance. So these all dances, 3 dances you have to write it down. This will ask for 3 marks, students. As we considered in the previous chapter, here also we have Indian culture and universal assimilating all. As a result of the arrival of the various tribes since ancient time, the contemporary one, many changes occurred, like growth and development of the handicraft, home artistry, painting, dances, various other fine arts. This shows very rich and varied heritage of India. It leaves a permanent impression of India on the horizon of the world. Now, student exercise. Explain the clay work of ancient Indian heritage. This question will ask for 3 marks. So, in the textbook, page number 8, last paragraph, both the paragraphs you have to write it down. Man and clays have been closely associated since the ancient time from the Nagarjuna Konda in South India and Lagnesh. Okay, this will ask for 3 marks, so you have to write it down this full. Okay, next question. Leather work is very old art of India. So this leather industry, page number 10, in that the second paragraph and third paragraph, both the paragraph, you have to write down about the leather industries. This will ask for 3 marks. Now give information about Sangeet Ratnakar. So here students, Sangeet Ratnakar, that the writer of this text was Pandit Sarangdev. He lived in Daulatabad, so he was familiar with the South and North music. So students, here only Sangeet Ratnakar ask, I insist you to write it down all the 3. Sangeet Makrand also, Sangeet Ratnakar also, and Sangeet Parijat also. 3 you have to write down for 3 marks. Give information of Kathakali dance. So here page number 13, in that the second last paragraph, but Kathakali. But students, you write down all the dance forms. All the dance forms. Okay. So explain the progress of dancing art in India. So all the dance forms you have to write it down. The give information about Garba Garbi. So page number 15, in that second last paragraph, both the paragraph, like the word Garba is derived from the word Garba Deep, that you have to write it down, students. Okay, describe the art of diamond, beadwork, enamel work of India and Gujarat. So on page number 10, so you can see the diamond, beadwork and enamel work. 3 paragraphs are given to you that you have to write it down. Then tribal dances of Gujarat, just now I taught you, page number 16, in that the Gov Gunthan dance, Dhamal dance, Merayo dance, Padhar dance, Koli and Mer dance, that you have to write it down, students. Name the writers of Sangeet Ratnakar and Sangeet Parijat. So Pandit Sarangdev and Pandit Ahobole. What is the process followed in spinning? So the artisans of Lothal made different weapons like sickle, drill, needle. The answer is page number on page number 9. The art of making, first line, the art of making long threads using small pieces of cotton from cotton balls and joining them together is called the art of spinning. On page number 9, first 2 line. Name the items of metal prepared by the artisans of the Lothal. This answer lies on the page number 11. In that C, metal work. In that the second line, the artisan of Lothal made different weapons like sickle, reed, matlab curved saw and needle with the help of the copper and the bronze. Now, fourth one, which designs did the artisan make on the clay utensils? They make the back and unbacked terracotta designs they made on the clay utensils. Clear? Terracotta designs, unbacked clay. And write a note on the bhavai. So here, the bhavai, page number 14. Okay, so you have to write it down about the characters of Rangla Rangli are used to promote the program like girls education, save the girl child, etc. So this whole paragraph you have to write. This will ask for 2 marks. Bhavai, from starting to end you have to write it down. Now MCQ. First, which of the following is a work of Kalidas? Answer is Meghdut. C. Second, with which dance style are Vaijayanti Mala and Hema Malini associated? Answer is Bharatnatyam. D. Third, which Ved is associated with music? Answer is B. Samved. Fourth one, who is known as Tutiya in the field of Indian music? Answer is D. Amir Khushro. Chedo dance means which dance? Answer is A. Tribal dance. Sixth one, Siddhis, the dancer of Dhamal dance, were the native of, answer is C, Africa. Seventh one, World Yoga Day celebrated on 21st June. Answer is A, 21st June. Students, with this completed chapter, you have to write it down textual question answer that I have discussed. Clear? Once the chapter finish, you should have the habit of complete your social fair notebook.